Hi, welcome friend. We are seeing lots of issues happening in our country when I talk about medical negligence cases. And now trend has changed. Now we are witnessing lots of cases against the hospitals. It was earlier also, but now focused is the hospital, and because of various judgment in the country where hospital has given a major responsibility in a compensation case, it become utmost important for every hospital to look into their updates and facilities what they are providing, including the training of paramedical staff. I say so because I have got lots of cases where medical negligence alleged on the hospital is because of the mistake done by the paramedical staff or incomplete documentation done by these people. This is my personal observation while arguing the matter in court of law. The document which is prepared by paramedical staff during their services and as job profile is always incomplete. And normally after a year, a patient or relative comes for the paper without asking anyone. The paper has been given to the people, and that goes in court of law with a blank on a paper. Let me give you an example of one of the case where consent form which has gone to the court was having all blank space and nowhere name or procedure or the diagnosis has been mentioned. Looking to that, the court has observed that blanket consent is unfair trade practice, and where the allegation is put forth against the hospital, even there was no medical negligence in that case. I've got a cases where documentation which has been prepared by paramedical staffs are not matching with the visit of a doctor at that particular time. When I talk about TPR chart, in TPR chart also the pulse, the blood pressure, all other things which need to be filled is always mismatched. What to write on medical record, what not to write on a medical record become a very, very important aspect in maintaining a medical record. And you'll agree with me that medical record is only document which saves my doctor in court of law. Let it be a medical negligence in a consumer fora or a criminal medical negligence in any criminal offense at a police station level, or it could be medical counsel. Everywhere your medical record is only a piece of document which saves you a lot. For the purpose of the same, since we have experienced a lot, we are coming out with a program where we are going to train all my doctors, hospital owner, partners, directors and key staffs who are given responsibility of maintaining medical record as an educational webinar for our people, which will help your key staff to understand how medical record need to be maintained. You will also understand where the lacunas are there in maintaining a medical record, how documents should be made. Let it be a hospital, or could be a daycare center, or could be a cosmetic center, or could be a IVF center. It may be journal clinic also, where compounder has been given responsibility of maintaining a OPD record. For all these people, it is important to attend this webinar because I'm going to speak on OPD paper, how and what needed to be on OPD paper in respect to the court and in respect to the defense of a doctor. With IPD papers, it could be admission form, or it could be consent form, or maybe a continuation sheet or treatment sheet, maybe TPR chart or discharge card. Everything is going to be part and parcel to the documentation. Or in daycare center, if at all repeated patient has been called for the follow-up, what need to be written in various paper. Because if your document is good, you can really save yourself in every court of law. So this is going to be a very, very important education webinar for all the people who are interested in understanding the maintenance of medical record. I invite you for the same. Soon you may, if interested, will get a link of the same, and you with your key staff can attend and upgrade your knowledge for safety and security. Thank you.